So I just want to give some overview as to what this channel is and a bit about myself also. My name's Ernest. My current aim is to make 100 simple games in Unity and hopefully teach people how to make their own games. And this will hopefully include the creation of assets that are actually used in the game. And maybe at some stage I'll also show how to remake particular well-known games inside Unity. So I realize there's a lot of Unity tutorials out there, so why should you pick this one? So this is why I'm making this video. So I studied game development at DQIT in Ireland, where I learned how to program, model, and I kind of forgot how to model, but I'll give it a shot anyway, and learn how to design and animate. And currently I'm working as a Unity developer, and I've been using C# and Unity for the past 3 or 4 years, and I'm currently working on Gamezone. So I am fairly new to making tutorials, so I look forward to improving at it, and I do intend on getting a better microphone. So that's me, and let's get making some games.